stump is defying everything that logic has to give us. Nothing is holding it. This may be a new world record, folks. We'll keep you updated. We're coming back to you live from the dig site with a 5-minute update. Still not much progress, but that stump is being determined to come out. Race for time. You seem to wiggle the stump free. We don't know who's going to give up first, the stump or Corey. I'm thinking the stump. We'll come back to you with more progress. It's now just a lonely island in the middle of a vast ocean, holding on by its last thread. Will it survive? Will the little 50G beat the stump? Is Corey going to have a nervous breakdown? We'll come back to you.
Oh, you got it. Oh, it's getting caught. It's getting caught on your foot. That's why. Oh, now he's hooked on it. He can't get loose. Oh, now the fight's turned on you, did it?
The stuff is winning so far.
Very aggressive. Look at all the arms it has. It's a fist of fury. It's got its weight on its side. It's the biggest, nastiest potato you've ever seen. Almost got it, man. You got her, you got her. There it is. Now he can't go free of it. Once they latch on, they never let go.